Where does the name for Pen-y-Dinas come from? So today I'm in a hill fort just outside Llandudno in Conwy County, and it's called Pen-y-Dinas. So the name is made of three parts. First we have pen. Now pen usually means a head, but has come to figuratively mean the top of something or a hill even. Means the, and then dinas currently means city in modern Welsh, but it's from the old word for hill fort in Welsh, dyn. Now, one of the interesting things about Pen-y-Dinas is this feature here, and it's called St Hydno's Cradle. It's a rocking stone, which turns up quite a lot all across Britain actually through various stories and mythologies. And the idea is that the stone would rock if you put a guilty person on top of it. And it's named after St Hydno, who gave his name to Llandudno, which is the town just beneath us. So the name of the hill fort literally means the top of the town, the top of the city, the top of the hill fort, something like that. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in the bio. Diolch. Have a good one.